the hunger who never puts asunder late night thoughts and the wonder. Writing is a lightning, speech is a thunder. Kid, I'm misinterpreted like a Marxist. The scarred will ask this. Impartial vocabulary, martial artist. Practice verbal Tai Chi and Pilates. The linguist, proper opportunist. Quick to drop a new list of rhymes which review this. Right wing stifling, that was suffering. Far from enlightening, it's frightening. Usher in a new type of verbal well-being. As your talks are walked by a canopy of entropy. Enter the linguist who eventually, with a dismaying display of rhyme slaying advances, the impartial vocabulary martial artist.
For your fame, why do we fight in your name? Is it really true that you're there? Do you ever answer my prayers? We are calling for change. Why don't you come back again? Why do you spread love uneven? This is not what I believe in. To write this down without heresy, pointing a finger at me. Rights we don't have no more in this catastrophe of a 21st century war. Did I ever call for your fame?